then right now.
Mist.
I have never looked more like a Boston girl than right now. Oh, wait. Than right now. I don't even know where to start. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. Overwhelmed already. Okay.
Well, I got this thing from my friend. She does the visual windows for anthropology, and this was gonna go in the trash, so it's now here, and I'm thinking of putting it on top of my desk. So, and I mean, she can edit it, but I kind of like the Come Did I Come gift shop, because then when I'm working, it looks like I'm just a little, like Santa's little helper kind of thing. So for now, this will do. Yeah. wanted to show you guys a little bit of progress that I've done this week. But I've been working overtime. So I have basically just come home, not even had dinner, sleep, wake up, go to work, go to the other job, have dinner, come home, sleep. So it's like a little bit crazy, but it's starting to look like home. So let me show you. The office space kinda looks a little bit better. Ideally, I want to put this guy facing me. It's just that the floor makes it fall onto me. And then the dining, living, the buffet. And then I did this morning. So it's a little bit better. This bench, I don't know what to do with it. It's a work in progress, but we're getting there. And it's kind of like a little bit bigger than I thought. Like I came from a really big 2-bed that I was sharing with my brother, and I was worried that nothing was gonna fit, but I have room for 1 or 2 more chairs in the living room, and I have room for a nice accent chair in my bedroom.